Hello, my dear children. All of you, please close your eyes and let's pray for a minute. How are you all? Okay, be good and be happy. Okay. So, in this class, what we are going to do? Yes, we will discuss some problems based on the concept we have studied in the previous classes. Let's move on.
All of you read the question. Raju bought 7 notebooks of 200 pages and 5 of 100 pages for 107 rupees. Joseph bought 5 notebooks of 200 pages and 7 of 100 pages for 97 rupees. What is the price of each kind of notebook? All of you go through the question once again and tell me what is given in the question and what you have to find out. Yes. Raju bought 2 kinds of notebooks. One is 200 pages and the other is 100 pages. And 200 pages of how many notebooks? 7 notebooks. And 100 pages, 5 notebooks. And the total price was 107 rupees. Joseph bought 5 notebooks with 200 pages and 7 notebooks with 100 pages. And the total cost was 97 rupees. We have to find the price of each of this notebook, isn't it? So here, what is the first thing that you are going to do? Yes, we are taking the price of each kind of this notebook, isn't it? So let the price of 200 pages notebook be yeah, X. Now, what will be the next step? Yes, let the price of 100 pages notebook be Y. Very good. Now, look at the first sentence. Price of 7 200 page notebook plus price of 500 page notebook is yes, rupees 107, isn't it? So, can you convert this statement into an equation? 7 200 page notebook. Price of 1 200 page notebook is X. So, what will be the first one? It will be 7X. And 500 page notebook. And what will be the price then? 5Y. So, what equation we get? Very good. 7x plus 5y equal to 107. And we call this as equation number 1, isn't it? What is the second statement? Joseph bought again this kind of book. And the price of 5 200 page notebook plus price of 7 100 page notebook is rupees 97. Good. Now tell me the equation. 5 200 page notebook. So 5x. Price of 700 page notebook. So 7y. So the equation is 5x plus 7y equal to 97. And we call this as equation number 2. Good. So we got 2 equations, isn't it? One is 7x plus 5y equal to 107. And the next is 5x plus 7y equal to 97. And we call these equations as 1 and 2. Okay. So we got 2 equations and they were this one, as you can see. Now my question is, what you are going to do next? Here, what is the speciality of this equation? Yes. Here the coefficient of x is 7 and that is the coefficient of y in the second equation. Similarly, coefficient of y in the first equation is same as coefficient of second equation, isn't it? അതായത് ഇവിടെ 7 ആവുമ്പോൾ ഇതിന്റെ y യുടെ കോഎഫിഷ്യന്റ് 7 ആയി. ഇവിടെ y യുടെ കോഎഫിഷ്യന്റ് 5 ആയപ്പോൾ x ന്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യന്റ് 5 ആയി. സോ ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള കണക്കുകൾ വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ കുറച്ചും കൂടി ഈസി ആയിട്ട് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം എന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കിയേ. I will give a clue, okay? You have 2 equations. Add and subtract that. Okay, let's see. So, what I'm telling is adding 1 and 2. Now tell me, adding 1 and 2, what you get? Okay, first term is 12x. Good. Then, what is next? Okay, good. 12y. And what is the third one? On adding, what we get? Yes, 204. So we get the equation as 12x plus 12y equal to 204. See, you have in common 12, isn't it? Some of you may have doubt. Is it possible to divide 204 by 12, or 204 is a factor of 12? If you have doubt, you can check it by dividing 204 by 12. Okay. So, what I am going to do next is dividing throughout by 12. So, what you get? Yes. We get x plus y equal to 17, isn't it? And we call this as equation number 3. Good. Now, we have added the two equations. Now, what you are going to do? Okay, let's subtract 1 minus 2, isn't it? Or subtract 2 from 1. So, what you get? Tell me. First term will be 2x. Good. Second term will be minus 2y equal to, tell me. Yes, 10. So, 2x minus 2y equal to 10. So, now how can you simplify this equation? Good. By dividing by 2. And what we get? X minus y equal to 5, isn't it? And we call this as equation number 4. So, we have got two equations and they are x plus y equal to 17 and x minus y equal to 5. Now, you can easily solve this. How? Yes. By which operation? Adding 3 and 4, isn't it? Good. So, what you get on adding? Y and y get cancelled because y minus y is 0. So, what is the remaining? Good. 2x equal to 22. Isn't it? Okay, good. 2 into x gives 22. Then what is x? 22 divided by 2. And what is that? It's 11. So, we got the value of x as 11. Good. Now, you got the value of one letter. Now, how will you find the value of the next? Yes, we will consider any of this equation and substitute. Here I am taking equation 3. You can take 1, 2 or 4. It's your wish. Here I am taking equation 3. Now, what is equation 3? X plus y equal to 17. Now, how will you solve this? Replacing x with 11. Good. Then what you get? 11 plus y equal to 17. Yes. Good. Then what is the next step? Y equal to 17 minus 11. Isn't it? Okay. Then what is the next step? Good. Y equal to 6. So what you got now? The value of y. And what was this x and y? Yes. The price of 200 pages notebook was x and we got it as 11. And the price of 100 page notebook was y and we got it as 6.